Frank from Lubeck Enterprises here today with a GoPro. I'm going to want to use that for a video I'm about to film in a couple minutes, and I was like, I kind of want to put on my head. So I found the head mount. I mean, at first it looks almost like a harness, like you put your legs through it, but yeah, don't do that. You'll look like an idiot. This goes on your head. This is the Hero 8. So first thing you want to do is fold out these tabs here at the bottom. And then if you look at that, you notice those look like they go into here. And they do. They're the perfect size. So I'm just going to try to take this thing off. I'm assuming I have to hold... Oh, look at that. I don't have to hold it. I literally just unscrew it. See, I thought this would be a lot harder than it now seems like it's going to be. So I just got to push this in here. Oop. It also helps to be coordinated. So I'm going to put this on the side. You can see the holes do not line up, so I'm just going to go like that until they do. Angle doesn't matter for now. That should be adjustable later. Push that all the way in and then turn. And there we go. That's once again a lot easier than I thought it would be. So you loosen it a bit, you can adjust the angle, so make sure to tighten it when you get the one you want, or leave it just a little bit loose if you want to be able to do that during filming like I think I will. So let me... There you go. You're probably going to look like an idiot wearing it, but depending on what you're doing, I mean, if you're skydiving like this, if you're just like walking down the street, you look like an idiot. So let's go film some computer videos. Oh, thanks for watching.